Imagine a world where technology works like magic. Sounds amazing, right? Today we explore AI tools that can transform your daily life. These tools can simplify tasks, enhance creativity, and save time. Let's dive into this enchanting digital realm. First, what is artificial intelligence? It's a branch of computer science that creates smart machines. These machines mimic human intelligence. They can learn, reason, and solve problems. But how do they feel like magic? Let's discover. Our first magical tool is ChatGPT. It's like having a conversation with a wise friend. You can ask questions, get advice, or brainstorm ideas. ChatGPT understands context and provides insightful responses. It can even help you write articles and emails. Next, we have DALL-E. Picture this. You describe an image, and DALL-E creates it instantly. This tool brings your imagination to life. Whether for fun or professional projects, it showcases creativity like never before. Just type a description and watch the magic happen. Now let's talk about Copied AI. Writing content can be daunting. Copy.ai takes away that stress. Just provide a few keywords, and it generates engaging text. Perfect for social media posts or blogs. It feels like having a personal copywriter at your fingertips. Another powerful tool is Notion. Think of it as your digital organizer. Notion helps you manage tasks, notes, and projects all in one place. It combines multiple functionalities. It allows for teamwork, planning, and creativity in one magical workspace. Next on our list is Grammarly. Writing can be tricky, but Grammarly is here to help. It checks grammar, punctuation, and style suggestions in real time. You'll feel like a pro as it enhances your text effortlessly. Let's not forget about Trello. This project management tool is visually magical. It organizes tasks through boards and cards. You can collaborate with your team in real time. It simplifies project tracking while keeping everyone on the same page. We can't leave out Canva. Imagine designing graphics without any design skills. Canva offers beautiful templates and easy-to-use tools. Create stunning visuals for marketing or personal projects in minutes. It demystifies graphic design. To summarize, these AI tools enhance productivity and creativity. Tools like ChatGPT, DALL-E, and Notion work together seamlessly. They make complex tasks simple and enjoyable. Embrace this technology in your daily life. Before we wrap up, remember to explore these tools. They can transform the way you work and create. Feel free to experiment and find what suits you best. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button. Subscribe for more magical insights into technology. Your support helps us create more engaging content. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.